Okay, in that last video, I wrote this Mario class with you. Oh, wait, I didn't write this Mario class with you. You wrote it by yourself. But I did get you kind of set up with some specs, right? We're going to have the images. We're going to have a X and a Y and a size. And we're going to have a render method. So it's going to be a lot like what we did with our coin. Every class definition, generally we tend to use capital letters with them, and then we'll have the curly braces. We've got a constructor. It's going to look exactly the same. Let's actually start out with the. I'm just going to copy it over. I love copying. Cheating is always a good idea. If you can get away with it, you know, certain types of cheating. All right, so we're going to have an X and a Y, and we're going to have a size. So that's good. And then we're going to have a images and image counter. Seems like a good variable. We're going to need some other things for this eventually. But for now, I think what I'm going to do is just write that render method. And, you know, again, we can kind of copy that over from our coin. So there's our render, and we're going to render this dot images at this dot image counter at this position. The only difference being that I think we're probably, and let's just see, one more thing we have to do is we have to import Mario here. And let's just see if Mario's there. There's Mario. That's fantastic. So that's pretty much that. Now, there's a lot more that we're going to want to do with Mario. We're going to want to move Mario around. Ultimately, we're probably going to give Mario the opportunity to die as well. So there's going to be a lot more that we maintain up here in terms of Mario's state, which is a really nice thing about these class objects. So I think in the next video, what I'm going to tackle is moving this Mario. And if you noticed in our Mario, a neat thing is we're going to have, so when he's standing still, right now I think we're right here. But what we want to do is we want to grab little chunks of images and animate that motion. And then when Mario's standing still, we want to be on here. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that in the